Usman Danfodio, Modibo Keita. I say history and the ramp. As I am history play or Lubuato. So I don't know. As na tukung nangpepe masola haliyo pe mimeka kedumpe nawanum bankinda ma sinuntao mefu na ndo chokonne.
De me langue bato moto
Jumambango alondi de my quale
Jumambango anongi de me langue nyango Jumambango wamo o masawa Jumambango anongi de me langue ponto moto
Jumambango alondi de my langue
Jumambango anongi de me langue nyango Jumambango wamo o masawa Nangwa tengo bibi pensa.
Okay, she that be go akwenu wo mi lo bo amafu Londo as na falo lo bo sinde ndu sinde mbokwa sinde o ka dale ni me ga no be mbokwa ka dale ni me ko mbokwa vi olon ha bo alo bo tuso tsa batanta ota ndu bi ba beke no moto sabi di yo tire no wane moto sa tele. So for that, then in addition to that, pastor no one, very good pastor, pastor, the first pastor of the Methodist Church in Guinea, yes, Lobo. Near Falulubo in Guinea was the Lobos and the Foyers. They were basically brothers, but they had other because the group was heterogeneous. Guinea was blessed, but there were so many people. Not only Kissies were there were other people who came from either inside Freetown or who came from other parts. Yes. They had some other people in the town there. The Fulani were there, the Madingos were there because I went to school, Fulani and Madingo people. But some of them were there in good faith. Some of them would talk so and talk so and talk so. As a result, the Lobos and Foyers have been rival. It's unfortunate for me to tell you that the Lobo is a reverend. Foyer is an Alaji. And that town belongs to them. And they did not greet each other until they die. Yes. All of them die hating each other. That's the unfortunate story. So when people talking about Koindo really, I can feel very, very bad. How will the toughest Muslim mayor and the toughest or Muslim or Christian mayor establish a town, become chiefs in the town, and they don't like each other? That's unfortunate. That's my regret. That's a big regret for me. Yes. So when the people are talking about reconciliation in that place there, I can just feel that it's a joke. Because they should have reconciled ever since. Other people will come. Koindo was a town really that was blessed. The big market was there. They had duties. They could make money and whatnot. If they were well organized, they could have taken care of some of us. But frankly speaking, no Koindo boy owe the Koindo people anything. Because they didn't do anything for them. No. That's whatsoever they have collected in Koindo, let me tell you. Because we were small, we were there. Okay, they had Ome Macaulay there. He had his shop in the center of town. Okay, the people who are representing the eastern part of Syria, they will go, when they come, maybe they will come and sit down to Macaulay's shop, and when they have all these monies, all these reports made to them, they drink some with Heineken in that place there. That's the time we knew that Heineken was expensive liquor. And then they take the balance and put it in their pocket and tell Macaulay when we come, before the other shipment of money comes, this is what we'll be drinking. So for me, it's very unfortunate for me to think about Koindo, seriously.
Interesting. So the reconciliation is not possible.
It is very, very possible. But people must not just come, you know, in Kissia we have before Lobo and Foyer could die because they are no longer living. Lobo was established there. He had a Methodist church in Koindo. When you are going to Congo, I know it very well. If you come to an old man TK place, going up the hill there, from the Lamins, or you go down the hill, you go up. There is land there that belongs to the people. The old man had a church there, built on the land. That church was taken, the land was taken and sold to some other people. Can you see? Yeah? You take it, God's, the man is using it for God's purpose, and you took it and sold it. So when you talk about reconciliation, those are some things they must look into. Yeah. Are certain things recoverable? Before you reconcile, you must recover certain things that belong to other people. Yes. C'est ça. Ouais. Que j'étais un peu petit.
Tout à fait.
Quand j'étais là.
Oui.
Je suis né là-bas, à Guinée.
Oui.
J'ai vu toutes les occasions là-bas.
Oui.
J'ai vu tout ce que... Parce que mon père,
Oui.
il vient de l'autre côté de Guinée, oui. Sombodo. Ma mère vient de Guinea. Nous sommes nés à Guinée. Oui. C'est-à-dire, nous sommes citoyens de Guinée. Pure. Oui. Hein? Ce n'est pas comme si, comme ça, donc. Nous sommes pure citoyens de Guinée. Oui. C'est-à-dire, quand je regarde ce que Guinée a fait en avant, ça ne me plaît pas. Oui. Ça ne me plaît pas. C'est pour cela que s'il y a réconciliation, je peux être là-bas. Hein? Oui. Mais c'est difficile. On doit penser.
Tout à fait.
Les autres doivent penser. Le mal que nous avons fait, nous avons parti à l'église ou bien à la mosquée, hein, pour dire à Dieu que nous avons mal fait. Mon père, les autres, leur père, tout ça, ils ont mal fait. Il n'a pas bien fait pour les enfants de Guinée. Les enfants de Guinée. Il y avait des enfants de Guinée qui étaient très intelligents. Hein? À l'école, tout ça là. Ouais. Je suis parti à l'école avec beaucoup de personnes là-bas. Il y a des poulas. Des filles Poula, oui. Mende, Kissia, Manika, tout ça là, ouais. Baba Massaré, de mon ami. Oui. Brahima Barry, mon ami, ouais. Oui. Tout ça là. Ouais, ça, ouais.
Avant tout ça, comment les Lobos ont émigré pour être à Guinée? Ce passage-là en français possible. Je pourrais mettre, ouais, je pourrais arranger.
Vraiment,
ça.
je vous ai dit déjà que
oui.
Le nom Lobo, ça vient de l'autre côté.
Oui.
Libye, Niger, tout ça là.
Oui.
Il a fait guerre avec M. Lobo, Amadou Lobo. Il a fait guerre avec Ousmane Danfodio, oui. Les autres personnes. L'histoire de Guinée, ça aide dans l'histoire de la Guinée. Ils sont venus par là, Afrique Nord. Oui. Combattre, faire guerre pour guerre. Et comme cela, maintenant, nous sommes là. Nous sommes petits, non? Oui. Depuis ça là, et à ce moment-là, ce n'est pas facile pour comprendre. Tout à fait. Ouais.
C'est comme ça que les robots ont grandi.
Ceux qui pour nous donner l'histoire ne sont pas là. La guerre est venue, puis mon père, les gens l'ont tué pendant la guerre. Et maintenant tu dis, le problème de réconciliation. Hein? Votre citoyen, hein, il est perdu, hein, il est mort. Vous êtes venu maintenant pour demander qu'est-ce qu'il a fait avec Ali Lobo. Il n'est pas là. Il était là, la guerre est venue. Maintenant, nous sommes venus, Lobo n'est pas là. Pourquoi? Personne ne peut demander ça là. Réconciliation, c'est possible. Mais c'est comme ça, non? Tout à fait.